hello, my little friends. Welcome to Toddlo English. Today we have a surprise. Can you help me find the colors? Let's play. Wow, look, so many beautiful colors. Oh, who is this? Who is this? It is Mr. Red Circle. Yeah, Red Circle. Hello, my dears. I'm Red Circle. I'm Red Circle. Haha. Very interesting. The next is, for example, apple is red, heart is red, and rose is red. Can you find something red? Well, my dears, who is coming? Who is coming? Oh, it's green rectangle. Yeah, rectangle. Hello, my dears. How are you today? Well, if we give some example for green, trees are green, leaves are green, cucumber is green. Yeah, can you try something green? Amazing, my dears. The next is, oh, this is blue triangle. Yeah, blue triangle is here. What color? Blue. Examples, the sky is blue, water is blue, some fish are blue. Can you find something blue, my dears? Fantastic. The next is, look, here we have yellow square. Yeah, yellow square. What color? Yellow. The examples are maybe the sun is yellow, banana is yellow, star is yellow. Can you find something yellow? Excellent, my dears. The last one is, what is it? It is red house. What color is it? Red. Yeah, it's very beautiful, my dears. Now we will repeat again the colors. Okay, my dears, it is red, green, blue, yellow, red. Okay, my dears, you are very active today. Today we learned with you red, green, blue, yellow, again red. You are amazing. See you next time on Toddlo English. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to Toddlo English, my dears. See you soon. Bye.